After the concessions, the outcome was almost a foregone conclusion. The decision to drop the charges was irrational, which means the 2007 decision to prosecute stands. But the court went a step further, raising concern around law enforcers spying on each other, and added that the legality of President Zuma's legal team's possession of the tapes is doubtful.
The authenticity and legality of the recorded conversations which Mr. Mpshe considered vital to his decision to discontinue the prosecution are not beyond doubt.
The judgment further points out that contravening the Interception Act carries a hefty penalty. It remains unclear whether law enforcement agencies will pursue this particular aspect. This while the NPA still weighs up its options.
It means that it's back to the NPA. As to what will happen, the leadership team, after it has considered the judgment, will take the South African public into their confidence in terms of the way forward.
The judgment reveals in the 2009 representation, Zuma, who was then just ANC president, argued there are legal implications in prosecuting a sitting president and there's a risk of economic and social instability. Now Zuma insists he must be afforded an opportunity to make fresh representations.
There's additional matter that President Zuma would want to place before the NPA. Not least of all are the recent findings around the audit company that had done the audit report and the auditor that was involved. And as you know, that audit report forms the backbone of the prosecution.
That report was compiled by KPMG's Johan van der Walt, the same man who's under investigation for the now discredited SARS Rogue Unit report. However, van der Walt's evidence on the alleged corrupt relationship between Zuma and his financial advisor, Schabir Shaik, was accepted in a high court, leading to Schabir's conviction in 2005. The DA, which has gone through a string of court cases to have President Zuma prosecuted, says it will not rest until the president has his day in court.
I'll be writing to the National Prosecuting Authority, the National Director of Public Prosecutions, Advocate Sean Abrams, insisting that in fact Jacob Zuma be served with an indictment and appears in court at the soonest available date.
The DA says this matter has cost the taxpayers 30 million rand. Leonard Mc Carthy, SABC News, Johannesburg.